Okay, today we're working on a 2005, 2006 could be Grand Cherokee. The idea is to install a cabin air filter. Believe it or not, these vehicles don't even have one. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to install one. There is actually a Mopar version of this. This is a Chinese copy that I bought on Amazon. And I bought a more expensive filter, which would be nice, get cleaner air into the car. So all you need to do is basically take away this thing here, lift up the plastic, and you can see under here it is attached on this side and on the other side, and these clips you're probably going to break. They've already been broken. Get this out, and this is basically the filter that comes with these vehicles, and that's it. No more, no less. Voila. Okay, that concludes the business for today. Filter installed. Now we just have to test it. It's gonna be nice. Thank you for watching.